14th of June 2023. We have Kyrkängsbacken 22 here in Huddinge, Stockholm County, Sweden. This is amazing because these 8 persons which is bedrooms, original Kone, and a bit rarer panel. Look at that, the numbers.
Yeah.
Like that. That's a bit rare, actually. It was built in 1988. The number is 83127. Turning 35 years old this year in 2023. It deserves 2 rights. I like the smell in here.
Same.
It was a bit better than we thought.
Yeah.
There's still too much in skull, but also there's some of them here left.
Yeah.
The Sigmas also. I like the sounds here also.
Same.
I'll sit down and then show the sound.
It's riktigt vaikea vain maintain-pautus on discretis.
Yeah. And the mayor of Turku has been working at the Huddinge hospital, so I think there are several reasons that's why it's interesting to come to Huddinge, like elevators, but also like these facts.
Yeah.
Like the mayor of Turku has been working at the Huddinge hospital and others.
Yeah.
I love the vibrations here too. That's it. Thank you much for watching, and hopefully we can get to some of the other ones.
Yeah.
Close to this one as well, because they're the same. They were still original now.
That's